Everything about this looks wrong.
A bird is standing on the world's largest rodent. Its sharp beak searches through thick fur. You'd expect the capybara to run. Instead, it closes its eyes. This is the Pantanal, one of the richest wildlife ecosystems on Earth. Life here is dangerous. Every day is a struggle between hunters and prey. Capybaras may look peaceful, but they're hunted by jaguars, caimans, anacondas, and birds of prey. Surviving here takes more than luck. At first glance, this looks dangerous. The bird walks closer, without any fear, with surprising precision. One wrong move could hurt the capybara, yet it never flinches. Instead, it trusts the bird completely. Why? What could possibly make a wild animal, another animal, to walk all over its body? The answer is hidden beneath thousands of hairs, a secret that keeps both animals alive. And once you see it, everything makes sense. The answer is parasites. Hidden beneath the thick coat are blood-feeding ticks. These tiny parasites steal blood and can spread disease. That's where the birds comes in. It isn't hunting. It's searching. With incredible precision, the bird removes a tick. For the bird, it's a free, high-protein meal. For the capybara, it's relief from parasites. A partnership shaped by evolution. This isn't a rare accident. It's a behavior repeated again and again. Over time, both animals have learned to trust each other. The bird finds food without chasing prey. The capybara gets relief. In a world filled with predators, survival isn't always about strength. Sometimes it's about trust. The bird leaves with a full stomach. The capybara stays behind, healthier than before. Neither animal wins at the other's expense. Instead, they both survive. Hidden stories like this are happening every single day. Most people simply never notice them. But now, you know where to look. Subscribe to The Wild Lens for more hidden stories from the animal kingdom.